I was talking to somebody, and we had a Zoom call, and I kept hearing ding, ding, and this is about 5 minutes into it, and I asked him what it was, and he said, "Oh, those are just my Skype messages." And
Oh,
I said, how do you get anything done? You've got 5 messages that came in while you're talking to me. I was watching you, and you're looking down, reading the Skype message while I'm talking to you. I mean, does that happen during the day? And he goes, yeah, it's crazy. And I think it's so important that you take your advice, blocking that 4 hours. But if you don't have the apps, sort of like freedom.io, or just pausing your inbox in Gmail, it's impossible to do. And I know I was listening to Ben Cummings once, and he said that what he does is he goes over to Starbucks, and I don't know if that's possible right now, depending where you live, but he just went over there every Wednesday, and he just got his work done. But I mean, your advice is great, but a lot of entrepreneurs, they just have 1,000 different types of interruptions coming in. And I think that's what they have to control. Do you have any advice around that?
absolutely. I mean, turn off your notifications. See, what happens is this. Number one, never check your inbox first thing in the morning. That's a Tim Ferriss thing, and that's huge because I don't know if you have thought about this before, but your inbox is nothing but a reactionary type of thing. So anybody that's emailing you wants you to do something. Okay, so you have to react and do things, right? It's not like a proactive type of process where you're taking control. So you're reacting to requests or whatever. Click here, call me, write this, do it, right? So not checking your inbox first thing in the morning. What you want to do instead is you want to plan your day before it plans you. So you want to actually sit down in the morning, drink your coffee, make your list, figure out what you want to accomplish that day, know your big goal that you're going to check off the list, and then only then should you go into your inbox. And communication is crazy right now. I mean, we have Skype, right? We have Facebook Messenger, we have the inbox, we have the phone, we have the text. I mean, it's just too much. So you've got to really control the things that are coming into our life. And, everybody's saying, oh, we're all ADHD and we're all the ADD right now. I think we are. And it's because of technology. There's no possible way that we can keep up with the technology and get down to business. I mean, you kind of have to have a premeditated time. What I tell people when I work in corporate environments is, don't check your inbox first thing in the morning. If it's insisting that you have to go to work early, check it, and then get to work on time, right? But have a controlled amount of time that you're going to be in your inbox. Maybe it's from 11:30 to noon. Maybe then it's at the end of the day. Having a tagline in your inbox in your email is also really a good little secret hack. So this is your tagline. In order to serve my clients better, I'm checking my inbox twice a day. If this is urgent, call me or message me or whatever your favorite form of distraction is. But I will return your call and get back with you within 24 hours. So it makes you more professional. In order to serve my clients better, I'm not in my inbox. I'm not living here, but I will get back with you. But if it is urgent, reach out to me via this other way. And
Right.
that has racketed up productivity within some of the companies that I've worked with. And so it's a magic little email signature, right?